Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to cook a simple pumpkin rice. So here I have some pumpkin boiling on the fire. I have some thyme and some scallion and some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to add some coconut milk to it. Stir it in a little. I'm going to add some butter. So now guys, I'm going to add some spicy cock soup. There we go. Put it in the strainer. So now guys, I'm going to add my rice in. I'm using like 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to cover it now and let it cook. There you go. I turned the fire on low, so I'm going to leave it, let it steam. So guys, my rice is finished, my pumpkin rice. So I'm going to share it and let you guys see the result of my pumpkin rice. Look at that. It looks so delicious and it tastes so delicious. So that's the finished product of my pumpkin rice. So look at that guys. So guys, you can like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button. And tell me what you think about my pumpkin rice. I'm out. Bye.